Your CV has just a few seconds to make a strong first impression. Before a recruiter reads every detail, they quickly scan for key information that tells them whether you're a potential fit for the role. So, what catches their attention first? In this video, we'll explore what recruiters typically notice during an initial CV review and how to make your CV stand out for the right reasons. First impression, CV layout and presentation. A well-presented CV encourages recruiters to keep reading. Professional formatting makes it easier to identify your most relevant qualifications. Focus on clear headings and logical sections, consistent fonts, spacing, and formatting, concise bullet points instead of long paragraphs, enough white space for easy readability. In contrast, inconsistent formatting, dense blocks of text, and poor organization can distract from your strengths. Second impression, professional summary. The professional summary gives recruiters a quick overview of your suitability for the role. A strong summary should highlight your current role or area of expertise, key skills relevant to the position, notable achievements or experience, the value you can bring to the organization. A concise, tailored summary helps recruiters quickly understand your profile and encourages them to explore the rest of your CV. Third impression, relevant experience. Recruiters quickly scan your most recent and relevant work experience. They want to understand your responsibilities, achievements, and whether your background aligns with the role. Clear job titles, measurable achievements, and relevant experience stand out immediately. Fourth impression, skills and keywords. Many recruiters look for specific skills that match the job requirements. Technical skills, industry knowledge, and role-specific keywords can help demonstrate suitability for the position. Including relevant keywords can also improve visibility in applicant tracking systems. Fifth impression, achievements over responsibilities. Recruiters are often more interested in what you achieved than a list of daily tasks. Results, improvements, and measurable contributions help demonstrate your impact and capabilities. Achievements make your CV more memorable and credible. Common CV mistakes and how to avoid them. Even qualified candidates can miss out on opportunities because of avoidable CV mistakes. To make a stronger first impression, proofread carefully to eliminate spelling and grammar errors. Keep your CV up to date with relevant experience and achievements. Tailor your CV to each job instead of using the same version for every application. Use a clean professional layout that's easy to scan. Highlight measurable achievements, relevant skills, and job-specific keywords. These small improvements can make your CV more relevant, easier to read, and more likely to catch a recruiter's attention. A strong CV does more than list qualifications and experience. It quickly communicates your value, relevance, and potential contribution to an employer. The clearer that message is, the greater your chances of securing an interview. For more career development tips, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy.